Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Guess what? My birthday's in March, and last year it wasn't a very good one. So I thought I'm going to celebrate it up and have a birthday challenge giveaway. So all you have to do, guys and ladies and guys, whatever you may say, to my fellow YouTube people. Birthday challenge giveaway, how to enter. Make one birthday themed ATC card. It's all you have to send me, okay? You get one entry. But on the back of it, please put your name, your YouTube name, and your address, just in case you win, then I have it. If you choose to send any extra stuff, goodies, birthday card, whatever it is, that's 2 extra entries. It starts the 23rd, ends March 6th, okay? I will wait till the mailman on March 7th to draw the winner, just in case. And you need to email me at tinascraftylife@gmail.com for my address to send your entries, if you don't have it already. Now, here's the goodies. 2 winners, guys. 2 winners. Yep. And how it's going to be is I will let the first person, and I'm going to go live to pick the winner, and I will announce the time closer to March 7th. Just in case, I think my birthday's on a Wednesday, I want to say. No. Thursday. So we probably won't be doing it, right? Thursday, yep. So we probably won't do anything till the weekend anyways, because they're grandkids. And we don't do anything. I don't do anything big for my birthday. Anyways, so, but just in case, I will make a time, and when I'll go live, and I'll choose the winners, and there's going to be package A, which I'm going to bundle up as you see. I'll put A on here. Okay, A. So, you ready to see what you get in package A? We'll start with the bottom. We'll make our way up. So you get, there's a little similar, they're mostly the same, but the stencils are different and maybe some stickers. But I tried to make them the same. So you get a 9x12 stencil of Christmas, the star, the leaf, and they're all in there. And then you also get this one, 9x12. And but on the back of this one, ready? There's some of my paper. There's 14 sheets in this. And don't worry, because my plan is to put some in this package. And on this one, these love to love, or learn to love, and then express and discover. Some of my paper on the back of that one as well. And I'm hoping to be able to put some in this one. And then you'll get these 2. And you never know, I may make some paper as well. This video's gonna be long. Okay, I'll worry about this later. Oh, that's going in now. Horse days. We'll just set that on the floor. Package, that's start of package A. You get this. You get some of this. You get some flowers. You get some cards. Okay. Canvas. Okay, I'm going to tell you these are used. I'm throwing them in because I got 2. Get some See, Take a Walk stickers. Mermaid. You get some chalk writers. Gold and silver in this pack. I think the next one it doesn't. You also get, this is a China marker. And this is a Stapello. It's not the one the really good, nice tip or pencil. You get this stamp. You get this one. Hold on. This. Get some of these. Get these cute little trucks. And a delusion bag, brand new. I will be putting all those little pencils and stuff in this. Let's do it right now. Okay. Zips up. Good carry case. So, whatever I can fit in here is going in here. I will have this thing loaded. Oh, see, the cards can't even fit in there. Flowers. Woohoo! Stickers. There we go. That already packed up nicely. There you go. And there's room. Boom. That's package A, guys. Alright. I'm gonna just throw that out. Maybe I will put it back on it. We'll see. That's package A. Okay. Oh, I forgot something on package A to show you. Package A. You also get this little tin I made. So that's package A. We'll put that in the zipper pouch. Alright. Do package B. Oh, that's my mark. B. Alright. This one you get the teardrops. Bam. Paper. You get the skulls in this one. And you will eventually have more paper in there because you know me. I love making paper. I love it. I love doing mixed media. So you're going to get some my paper. Now you get this is the same and this is the same from the last bunch. These differ. You get faces in this one. And you get that shape in this one. And of course, my paper. Now, these are new. I don't have the full set. I just threw them in there like the girls in that one. Get some cards. Oh, I should have showed you the cards. They're cute. You get the pink envelopes in this little flower. So cute. And boom. They're just plain. I thought I'd just throw them in there. As you can see, it's kind of like a mixed media thing going on. Of course, you get the little trucks. Canvas. The flowers. Here's those pencils again. Yeah, there's 2 gold in this one. I can't find the other silver. If I find the other silver, I'll give you the silver and replace that. There we go. This is the tin you get in this one. I just made these on Tina Tuesday. Here's the other truck. You get these stickers. These stamps. The stamps are a little different. You get this one. You also get this one. And you get these. And of course, the bag. This is number 2. So I will put all your items in its bag. So, once again, to win these goodies, you must make me a birthday ATC card. Birthday theme, as long as there's something on a birthday, you can do it. Just slap some paper on it and want happy birthday Tina on top of it. I'd be good. That'd be good. I want your name and address and your YouTube channel. Your regular name, your address, and your YouTube channel on the back of it. So, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in a bigger bag, I'm hoping. The ATs itself, I'm going to shake it up. Oh, no, I can't do that. Never mind. Disregard that. I can't because if we send goodies. Okay. I'm just going to put your names down and probably like a list, maybe underneath this. Yeah, start when it comes in. If you send extras, you get 2 extra entries. So you can get 3 entries total into this giveaway. And guaranteed by March, this thing is going to be stuffed. These bags are going to be stuffed. So, starts January 23rd, ends March 6th. I will wait until the 7th later on, because my mail comes between 2 and 5 usually. So I'll probably do the winner later in the evening. I will announce that. Please email me at tinascraftylife@gmail.com for my address to send your entry. I hope you guys all join in. It's easy, it's fun. If you don't want to send me goodies, you do not have to. It's just an extra. I figure if you take the time to send goodies, you should get an extra entry. All right, guys and everybody, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my challenge. I can't wait to see your birthday ATC. I will have all this in the comments below, or not comments, the description, so you can contact me. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.